Hi guys, really quickly, I'm gonna go quick. So today I'm doing a Thanksgiving look. This is a look that I did. I have a PR, and she wanted us to do a Thanksgiving makeup collab. And instead of doing turkey, I decided to do a different look. I just did leaves instead with these orange, olive green tones. And yeah, so yeah, I used this palette, the AC Beauty Vintage Stone palette. This is the old one. They came out with a new one for this boxy charm box, but I don't have boxy charms, so I won this in a giveaway, and this is how it looks. They have a lot of perfect orange, warm fall tone shades with a pop of colors. This is perfect for fall. I love this palette. It's small, it's pigmented. What else? Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of fallout, but it does. I've tried all of the shades actually. Hold up. Oh, sorry, notification. Wait, have I? Yeah, I use this one, this one, this one. I basically use all of these and this one for this look. Oh, and I also use this one, the olive green. This is another perfect fall eyeshadow palette. I use this green one. So I think both of these are perfect for fall. This one has olive green, but I just wanted to use this one too because I hardly use it. If you ask me what type of fall palette you should get, is this one. This is, I don't know the price. I've never shopped from them before, but they usually come in boxy charm boxes. So yeah, if you don't want to pay for it there, then get it there. But I don't know, whatever you want. This one, buy it too. This is like what, $2-3. So I suggest both of these for fall. I don't really have fall palettes, but these are the only ones that I own that I really recommend. What else? Sorry, I'm trying to be quick. Oh yeah, I finally did my Christmas nails. Doesn't match, but I'm trying to get the fall looks done before I start this month for my Christmas look. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot. Sorry. What else? I think that's it. Just watch my Instagram and look at my Thanksgiving collab. I probably upload by the end of November. It depends. I'm not the one that chooses the date to post, so it's the CEO of the brand. So yeah, you don't have to use my discount code, but you can. It's for that brand that I'm collabing. What else? I'm sweating. I think that's it. I don't know. But yeah, anything, oh yeah. Oops, something fell. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. It ends the 16th of November. I think it's next Tuesday. So please enter in my Instagram post. I'm gonna leave the details in the description. So yeah, I think that's it for now. Okay, bye.